Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best gimbal stabilizers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video here. We are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is DJI Osmo Gimbal Stabilizer. DJI is one of the most popular brands out there when it comes to high-end and professional camera gimbals that also happens to be making a few mobile gimbal stabilizers like this one. This gimbal stabilizer comes at the first position of this list since it is one of the most versatile and advanced options in terms of its controls. Talking about its performance, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 happens to be a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. It can hold up to 230 grams of weight in terms of the smartphone that you are using. As for the phone holder clip of this gimbal, you can fit up to an 89mm wide smartphone inside it. The best thing about this gimbal is that its advanced smartphone app offers subject tracking, dolly zoom, hyperlapse, panoramas, and many other shooting modes for high versatility. Since this is the combo pack of this model, you also get things like a carrying bag, carrying case, tripod, wrist strap, and even a charging cable. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hohem iSteady Gimbal Stabilizer. While Hohem and its gimbal stabilizers might not be as popular as other brands out there, you can certainly consider them if you wish to get a gimbal stabilizer made for heavy-duty usage. This gimbal stabilizer comes at the second position of this listicle as it is one of the most powerful smartphone gimbal stabilizers out there. This is primarily due to the fact that you get an excellent weight limit of up to 281 grams, which is much higher than all others. Since it is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, you can expect a wide range of shooting modes from it. Coming back to its compatibility, you will be glad to know that it has a very large 89mm clip. As this gimbal stabilizer is made for heavy-duty usage, you get a pretty long battery life of 12 hours from it on a single charge. Once you have installed its companion smartphone, you can find handy features like panorama, subject tracking, time-lapse, and a few other basic ones. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zhiyun Smooth Gimbal Stabilizer. Zhiyun is another mainstream brand of gimbal stabilizers that not only makes high-end and full-size gimbal stabilizers but also offers a few compact smartphone gimbal stabilizers. This gimbal stabilizer comes at the third position of this article because it is another highly feature-rich gimbal stabilizer. Being a high-end and a fairly new gimbal stabilizer, it is a 3-axis stabilizer to offer the smoothest possible footage from it. Moving over to its weight limit, this is where it falls a bit behind at up to 210 grams. You will be glad to know that this Zhiyun gimbal stabilizer has a pretty long battery life of up to 12 hours. Thankfully, you also get a decent phone clip size of 85mm with it, which is quite important for using modern large smartphones similar to the DJI offerings stated above. It also comes with an excellent smartphone app that includes tracking, time-lapse, panorama, focus and zoom pull, and everything else that you would want. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Obudyard Gimbal Stabilizer. Obudyard is one of the smallest brands out there when you are talking about gimbal stabilizers, which happen to be one great option for all those of you who want something affordable. This gimbal stabilizer happens to be the perfect entry-level option since it is the cheapest gimbal stabilizer stated here to be available at such a low price tag. It is only a 1-axis gimbal stabilizer and not a 3-axis one. Fortunately, it also acts as a selfie stick, which is paired along with an included Bluetooth remote control for high versatility. Talking about versatility, this gimbal stabilizer can automatically switch between landscape and portrait modes to save your time. Unfortunately, you do not get any weight limit or phone clip size rating with this gimbal stabilizer, which can make it quite difficult to ensure that it is going to fit your smartphone at the given compact and travel-friendly dimensions of this selfie stick style gimbal stabilizer. Its 2-hour-long warranty is to be expected. Another thing that you would expect from such a cheap gimbal stabilizer is the fact that it does not come with any warranty whatsoever. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is CINEPEER C11 Gimbal Stabilizer. This brand is one of the smallest brands of gimbal stabilizers out there that still manages to offer a decent amount of features at a low price tag, resulting in a high value for money. This gimbal stabilizer is among the cheapest 3-axis gimbal stabilizers out there that offers smooth video footage without paying a premium for the same, resulting in an excellent value for money. While its weight limit of 200 grams might be a bit low compared to others, it is certainly decent for the given price. Another great thing about this gimbal is that you also get a standard phone clip width of 85mm with it. One of the best things about this gimbal stabilizer is that you get a 4000 mAh battery inside, which not only offers a superb battery life of up to 12 hours, but it can also act as a power bank. Although this does make this gimbal stabilizer a bit heavier than others, you will be glad to find 4 shooting modes including pan, lock, follow, and POV with this gimbal for high versatility. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.